Is it possible to learn English in 2 months? Yeah, guys, you heard it right. I want to ask you, is it possible to learn English in 2 months? Because many teachers, many English speakers, they always tell us, learn English in 2 months, become fluent in English in 2 months. How? How we can learn English, how we can become fluent in English just by passing in 2 months? So firstly, I want to share how you can learn English in 2 months, how you can make 2 months plan for speak English. So I want to share how you can learn English in 2 months. You can make some plans for getting confidence in English, and how you can make this plan. You can make this plan, by listening or by reading or by watching English content. If you do, then you will become confident in English just by passing in 2 months. Okay, so before I start this video, I want to share about something weather. Guys, see this tree. This tree is still moving here and there. Why? Because the storm, because the strong wind. Okay, and today also it is a rainy day, or wind is blowing and still it is drizzling or thundering also. So this is the weather, or guys, wind is very hard. Truly, it's very hard. But now I'm recording my video, because due to this rain I could not make my video. That is why I'm making my video here. But some difficulties I'm facing right now while recording this video. Okay, because the strong wind and also some drizzling. But yeah, it is my work. I have to do my work deliberately. I have to be industrious. Do you know, guys, industrious? Industrious, that means hard worker. Okay, be industrious. Always ready to do hard work. Always you have to put some efforts. Always you have to ready for learn English. That means industrious. I hope you understand. And exaggerate your voice. Always try to exaggerate your thought. You have to try to in 2 months you have to try to make your learning in two stage. First input and second output. Do you know the difference between input or output? Input, that means whatever you listen, whatever you read, that means input. Output means whatever you speak, whatever you write, that means output. आप जो भी सुनते हैं, आप जो भी पढ़ते हैं, दैट इज इनपुट. इट मीन्स आप नॉलेज को अपने अंदर ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, आप जब सुनते हैं तो आप कुछ चीज़ें अपने दिमाग में सेव करते हैं, और आप जब पढ़ते हैं तब भी यही काम होता है. ठीक है, तो इसे हम बोलेंगे इनपुट, यानी कि कुछ चीज़ों को लेना. और आउटपुट को हम बोलेंगे कि जैसे हम जब बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जब हम बोलते हैं तो क्या होता है, वर्ड्स हमारे मुंह से बाहर निकलते हैं, है ना. और जब हम लिखते हैं तो क्या होता है, हम लिखते हैं उसे भी हम बोलेंगे आउटपुट, यानी कि कुछ चीज़ों को हमने बाहर किया. जैसे कि जब बोला तो कुछ वर्ड्स बाहर निकले, और जब लिखा तो कुछ चीज़ें हमने लिखी. दैट इज कॉल्ड आउटपुट. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज विलिंग टू इनपुट, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू आउटपुट. ओके, दैट मीन्स every day listen small videos, just 15 to 30 minutes videos, or every day speak, imitate, do shadow practice. Do you know shadow practice? Whatever you listen, just pause the video and start imitating. That is shadowing practice. Guys, actually I want to tell you, our tongue is not suitable for speak English language, because I know a lot of people, they don't have English environment. That is why they can't speak English. So our tongue is not suitable, it is not perfect for speak English. That is why it is difficult for pronounce any words in English. Okay, so that is why we have to imitate a lot and a lot. That is called shadowing practice. And also I used to do a lot, and also I'm using. I'm not perfect. I know I took 1 year for improve my English, but I could not achieve fluency. I could not become perfect in English. That is why I don't want to give any false hopes. I'm not speaking just words in the air. I want to tell you truth. What is the truth? But you can become confident in English just by passing in 2 months. So, as much as you can, do listen, read, or focus on your grammar. Basic grammar, not advanced. Maybe tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense, or some WH words, question words, or preposition. You have to focus on these, not a lot, because we are trying to get confidence. We are not trying to become fluent just by passing in 2 months, because it would be not possible. Okay, it would be not possible. That is why just focus on improve your uh, you know understanding the words. If you can understand English, then you can speak English also. But we should focus on first understand each and everything. And how it would be possible? It would be possible by doing practice, while doing explaining nature, while doing listening or reading, or some writing also. Okay, so whatever it is need, you should do. Be industrious, always exaggerate your learning. Okay, and I would say English is very vital for our life. Without English we can't do anything in our life. That is why English is very vital for our life. That is why I'm also learning English. I want to improve my communication skills. Okay, that is why I'm learning. So how I'm learning English? I'm learning English while making videos, while sharing my thoughts, while explaining nature, and while talking with peoples. Okay, so also I want to recommend, start talking with people. Don't be afraid about mistakes. It is common. It happens with everyone. Also it happened with me. That is why it is common, it is natural. So as much as you can, start talk with real person, because that person will help you to get confidence in this language. And if you are learning English the right way, then you will become confident in English just by passing in 2 months. I hope you understand. And birds are chirping, and the nature is blooming. Do you know bloom? Bloom, it means produce flower. So always bloom in your life. It means अपने लाइफ में तरक्की करना, अपने लाइफ को जियो ना, जब खिलना. ठीक है, सो ब्लूम. And always try to flourish in your life. Always try to become something different, something extraordinary in your life. Okay, so I hope you understand each and everything. And now this is evening time, and also sun is about to set. Maybe after some time it will be dark. So today I think this is enough for you and also for me. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.